Greetings everyone, this is Mac Jeffy here once again, and welcome back to another unboxing video or a review video or something like that. So today we're going to review or unbox or review or whatever the Gokaiger Deluxe Mobirates. So yeah, I was going to unbox this along with these two Ranger keys which I have here. So here's Battle Japan and Geki Chopper, and I got this off eBay, and it was really nice. So yeah, yeah, the speaker's right here, and it looks way bigger than the American version. So yeah, so the on-off switch is on the back. We've got activation sound. All the buttons work except for the call buttons are just moulded in. So yeah. So now I'm going to demonstrate the change. So what you do is you take your Ranger key here and you basically turn it and it will say the name of the key. So I now got Battle Japan ready. Oh yeah. And I'll cut the camera here, guys, because I want you to get a good angle of the change, so bear with me for a moment. Okay, now that I got my camera up right, I'm going to show you what happens when you put the Battle Fever J key in. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, I meant to say that. Gokai change. Oh wait, hang on. Gokai change. You can press that button if you want. Oh yeah. So you can close that up so that you can do the morph again or the henshin. So yeah. And next one I got is Geki Chopper from Geki Ranger. So yeah, let's fold that up. And Gokai change. Oh wait. Gokai change. So yeah, that's all the keys I got for this one. Now I did order a Jetman key which might be coming soon. And I did order the red Jetman Ranger key for the my Ranger key collection. And I might be ordering like the Gokai bell or the Gokai gun, whenever they like how much they cost. Yeah, I turned it on. Anyways, I was just checking. So yeah, that's gonna be it on my review for the DX Mobirates from Kaizo Sentai Gokaiger. So stay tuned for my review / unboxing on the Versus Changer and the 3 included vehicles for the Dial Fighters. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in another video. Bye.